In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sunroof glass edge Weatherstrip seal on your Ford Expedition. It's located around your sunroof glass. Using a T20 socket, we're going to remove 4 bolts. One here, here, and one here, and here. Let's begin. Remove the other 2 on the other side. Next, you're going to pick up your glass from when you're on the inside. Take it off its area. I'm going to put mine behind, towards the back of the truck, on top of 2 cloths that I placed there ready. Make sure you put some soft material down so you don't break your glass. It's going to take a little persuasion to get this out. You can start by using a plastic trim tool and applying pressure. You may rip it because it's brittle from age, and that's okay. Once you get it started, you're just going to follow it along the edge and remove it the rest of the way. Work your way around. And set it aside. It's a good opportunity to clean this before putting your seal on. Make sure you get that edge. Now we're going to look at our new seal and notice that there's a flat, wider side and a skinnier side. It's a little more rounded. The flat, wide side goes on the top. You're going to feed it into that groove right there and then pop it into the edge around here. Now, as we get to the end, it's going to get a little more tough because you got to stretch it a little bit. At this point, you may need a tool, so you're going to use a plastic tool, not a metal one, and just help it around the corner. Now, just finish it off by going around the edge and making sure that top lip is also in the groove. Once you have it started and you can see where it lives, you're going to go around the edge and just apply pressure and push it into the other crack. And that's going to rest it where it belongs. Just go along the edge and push it in. Continue all the way around. All right, so now we're done. We've put our Weatherstrip all the way around. We've checked the edge to make sure it lines up where the old one was. And now we're going to go put this in the vehicle and put it back in the roof. Now we're going to pick up our window. I'm in the inside, lining everything up. And we're just going to make sure the brackets are lined up with the window on both sides. That's looking good. And now we're going to get our bolts ready. You're going to want to get your bolts started first, and then we're going to line up the bolts in the brackets where they were to begin with. There is indents on the brackets here and here. You can see where it lived. But let's just worry about getting them started. Get them on a few threads. It'll be easier in the long run. So put all 4 bolts in, just a couple of threads. Do the same on the other side. All right, so now we have all 4 bolts started. And now we're going to position our window, lining up the previous marks. Now we're going to snug these up. Go a 1/4 of a turn more after it's tight. And do the same on the other side. All right, so now we're going to put our key on and test our window. I'm going to do the tilt. And we're going to open it. Beautiful. And we're going to shut it. And we'll shut this. Make sure there's nothing binding. And you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.